slopes over Clinton or over Cornwall, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Singing Spring, Wilmington, Wintersville, Robertsonia, Leesport, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount 10, Morton, Kenworth, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Mills, West Lawn and Region. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Brooks, Pennsylvania. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weatherly to New Flanders to New Hamburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Northampton, Tobiana, Albany, Thorpe, Hamburg, Wellington, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnutford, Leonardsville, Ness, Pocono Heights, Town, Lake Harmony, Municipal, Long Pond, and Crest Meadow. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 57 and 97. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 53. Interstate in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 300. Interstate 300 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.